Welcome to week 15 of a weekly series where I bet 20,000 satoshis of Bitcoin on 3 NFL picks and use those 3 picks to make a parlay. I show my stats from week to week, and the best thing about this is that there's no investment required. So if you want to make some free Bitcoin and some NFL predictions, please use the Ember app that I've linked in the description. And so far on the year, I'm 35-21. I'm won $227.11, and I've lost $97.65. My first pick is the Jacksonville Jaguars over the New York Jets. The Jets are on their third-string quarterback, who's an undrafted rookie, and he's just looked really bad. And it really seems like, besides their special teams, they're pretty much tanking. The Jaguars are leading the division, and I don't think this game's going to be close. My next pick is the Philadelphia Eagles over the Las Vegas Raiders. The Raiders are probably the worst team in the league, right there with the Jets. And the Eagles are going to look to come back after a close loss last week. I don't see the Raiders scoring very many points, and the Eagles very rarely have back-to-back bad games. And my last pick is the Houston Texans over the Arizona Cardinals. Ever since Kyler Murray went down for the Cardinals, they really haven't won at all. I think they may have won one game. The Texans have the number 1 defense, and after starting 0-3, they've gone 7-2. And with the Cardinals getting blown out to a much worse team last week, I just don't see them having a chance versus the Texans. And that means my parlay is the Jaguars, the Eagles, and the Texans, betting 5,000 sats to win 7,467. And I'll be back next week with updated stats and picks. See you then.